So, welcome to the first tutorial. Right now, I'm going to show you how you can utilize Google Sites in order to engage students in collaboration. So, you want to be logged into your Google account, and you're going to start off with your standard Google home screen. You're going to go over to your little dots here, and you're going to drop it on down, not right click, left click, and you're going to come down to Sites. And let me move my little picture. And so Sites is going to be here. And so you have the opportunity to create a site. For the sake of time, I'm not going to run you through creating an entire Google site. It's very easy to do. Rather, I'm going to show you how after you've created the site, you can collaborate with students, or they can collaborate with you, or they can collaborate with each other. So you're going to know to go to New Google Sites. I've already created a site in the new Google site. You can do the old one, but it's a little bit difficult to operate. So created a new one. That site belonged to one of my students that she shared with me. So my internet is running a little slow. And so your Google site is going to come up. So this is an example of a blog that I have been working on with my students in some of their trilectical journal entries. The first thing I want you to notice up here in the top corner, you have the option to share. So if I were to share this with someone else, I would be able to choose who I want to share it with, the specific email address, and then hit done. And then I'd be able to share it with students. Let's say we were in a group. I'd be able to share it with possibly other people that I wanted to collaborate with. And that way we could all be on the same document putting work in. So once you're in your site, students or anyone you have shared your blog with is able to upload content. Your content can come from your Google Drive, as you can see, where your information will come up, where you can actually add it and upload it, anything from PowerPoints to Google Docs, and also from your shared drive to with the information that you've shared with others. Today I'm just going to show you, I'm going to take a little standard article and show you how it can be uploaded and how others can respond. So I just clicked on an article that I had, and now that can be uploaded onto my documents. And anyone that I'm sharing that with has the ability to actually go back over and add information underneath whatever I just uploaded. Okay, can move it. Then I can insert a text box and say, life of Malala was one of courage. Okay. And I'm going to put that. Okay. And then once I'm done with that, just to have an opportunity to see what it looks like, I can preview it. This is my actual blog. Okay. And I want to go down. And my article is there. If it loads, and what I put underneath, and then people can go back and then they can comment on what you've put there. They can respond to your questions, and they can pose questions to you as well, or pose questions among students. They can do it amongst one another.